Children, good morning. How are you? Today I am with 7th part of class 6 chapter 3 fiber to fabric. So in previous class I explained about cotton fiber. In this part I will explain about jute. Okay, you must have seen jute bags in mall, etc. For carrying purpose. Now it is a best option in place of polythene bags. So I'm sure you have seen jute. How that jute is obtained, that I'm going to explain. So before that, I'm introducing you about jute. What is speciality about jute? So see, jute is the second most important fiber next to cotton, and it is the world's cheapest natural fiber. Okay. It is also considered as golden fiber. Now you will be amazed to hear this. Why it is golden fiber? Because of the color of the fiber. Okay. And the second thing, the revenue it generates for India. Okay. We are exporting this jute fiber and we are getting the revenue. For this purpose also, it is a golden fiber for India. Now see, India is largest producer of this jute fiber, and it is obtained from the stem of jute plant, and the plant name is Patsan. Okay, so where is jute grown? The top jute producing countries are, first is obvious India, second Bangladesh, Thailand, Nepal, China. Okay. And the states are, first number West Bengal, second Assam, Bihar, Orissa and some parts of Maharashtra. Now we'll see the geographical condition required for jute plant. In cotton plant cultivation I explained what are the geographical condition required for cotton. So same here I'm explaining what is the geographical condition required for jute plant. So first I'll see what sort of climate is required. So it is hot and humid. The weather should be warm and lots of moisture are required. Humidity is required. Temperature above 30 degrees centigrade. Rainfall heavy. Okay, those area they should receive heavy rainfall. Then only they are able to cultivate jute plant. Soil. It grows best in alluvial soil of delta region of Ganga Brahmaputra belt. You have heard about delta region. Okay. So it is next to West Bengal area where the rivers are going and meeting the sea. So that area, the soil is alluvial soil and they are best for cultivation of jute. 85% of world's jute is cultivated here only in this Ganga Brahmaputra delta region. Okay, now what is happening for jute cultivation? We are cultivating the plant in rainy season and 3 to 4 months they bear flower. Now this is the time when you are supposed to cut the plant because best fiber is obtained when the plant is bearing the flower. Now once the plant is cut, so they are lie down on the ground for drying off. The leaves are dried off. Then these stems are bundled and immersed in water for 10 to 15 days. So what is happening? There is a rotting process of the stem. Okay, during this period the gummy substance holding the jute fiber to the stem rots and fibers are separated out. This process is called retting. So what I was explaining, it is an important term. Pay attention and try to understand. Retting is a process in which when the stem are immersed in water and they are rotting, so what is happening? The gummy substance are holding the fiber to the stem. So that is separated and now the fibers are separated from the gummy substance of the stem, and that is we are now able to collect the fibers. That process is termed as retting. Okay, so once the fibers are separated, the remaining materials are thrown there only in the water, and only the fibers are collected, that is sun dried and then bundled into small bundle. Okay, and now these fibers are used for making yarn. So these fibers are pale yellow in color, silky touch, and 2 to 3 meter long. Now we will see where the jute fibers are used. So jute fibers are used in gunny bag making, then sacks, then packing material. Even carpets are made of this jute material. Nowadays the shopping bags are very popular of jute. Even the fine quality jutes are used for making fashion wear, fabric, etc. So I hope you have understood about what is jute, what is the climatic condition required for jute, and what is the process of retting. Very important, that one. Again I am explaining. The gummy substance holding the jute fiber to the stem rots when we are immersing in water, and the fibers are separated out. This process is called retting. I explained about what are the different uses of jute. So now in next part I'll explain other plant fiber, and then the chapter will be over. So I hope you have understood. Till then, bye.